In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily extract last names from a list of full names in a spreadsheet, sort them, and organize your data efficiently. This method is a great way to streamline your spreadsheet tasks and make sure your data is clear and easy to navigate. First, you'll want to start by inserting a new column next to the one that contains all of your full names. This new column is where we will extract the last names and display them, so make sure it's right beside your list for easy reference. Once you've inserted your new column, it's time to jump into a little formula magic that will do the heavy lifting for us. In the first cell of your newly created column, you're going to type the following formula. Is index split B2 1 counta split B2. Now, you might be wondering what this formula is doing. Let's break it down. The split function divides the full name into separate words based on spaces. Index retrieves the specific word we want, here, the last one, which is usually the last name. Counta counts the words, allowing index to identify and select the last word in that split. Don't forget to replace B2 with the actual cell reference of your first full name. This tweak makes sure the formula points to the correct data. After you've entered your formula, press Enter. You'll see that the spreadsheet populates the last name in the new column right next to the full name. Now, we want to apply this formula to all the rows containing names. To do this, simply click and hold the little fill handle, which is a small square at the bottom right corner of the cell, and then drag it down to cover all your rows. This action will replicate the formula for each row, ensuring all last names are extracted correctly. Once all your last names are neatly organized in the new column, it's time to sort the data. Go ahead and select all the data you want sorted. It's important to highlight both columns to keep the full name and last name side by side in order. With your data selected, navigate over to the Data menu and click on Sort Range. Here comes the exciting part, organizing the data alphabetically. You'll be prompted to choose which column you'd like to sort by. Select your new last name column and decide whether you'd like the data sorted from A to Z or Z to A, depending on your preference. And that's it. You've successfully extracted, displayed, and sorted last names in your spreadsheet quickly and efficiently. This approach not only simplifies locating specific entries, but it also enhances the overall organization of your data. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and insightful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on managing your digital tasks with ease.